Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about homophones. What are homophones and why are they important in English? Let's find out. What are homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same, but they have different meanings and sometimes different spellings. Why are homophones important? Homophones are important because when you write or speak, using the wrong homophone can make your sentence confusing or incorrect. So it's very important to know the difference between them. Now let's look at some other examples of homophones that are easy to confuse. I'll give you a sentence with each pair so you can understand how they are used in context. Two. I'm going to the store. 2. I want to. 2. I have 2 cats. There. The book is there on the table. There. This is their house. There. They're coming to the party. Here. Can you hear the music? Here. The keys are here on the desk. Brake. Don't forget to press the brake when you stop the car. Brake. Be careful, you might break the glass. Cell. He's in a prison cell. Sell. She will sell her old books. Compliment. The red dress is the perfect complement to her shoes. Compliment. He gave her a nice compliment about her hair. Flour. I need some flour to make the cake. Flour. That flour smells so nice. Night. The knight rode a horse in the old story. Night. We are going out for dinner tonight. Right. Turn right at the traffic light. Right. I need to write a letter. Right. They followed an old rite during the ceremony. See. We're going to the sea for vacation. See. I can't see the board from here. Mail. Did you get the mail today? Mail. He is a male cat. Where? I will wear a jacket because it's cold. Where is my phone? Pair. I bought a pair of shoes. Pear. I ate a juicy pear for breakfast. Meat. I like to eat meat for dinner. Meet. Let's meet at the cafe. Sun. My son is playing outside. Sun. The sun is shining brightly today. Aloud. She read the story aloud to the class. Allowed. You're allowed to use your phone at lunch. So. What's the plan for tomorrow? Sew. I need to sew a button on my shirt. Sew. My muscles are sore after the workout. Capital. The capital of France is Paris. Capital. The Capitol building is in Washington, D.C. I. She has beautiful blue eyes. I. I love learning English. Cereal, cereal, cereal. I ate cereal for breakfast. Cereal. He's a serial writer of mystery novels. Pail, pail, pail. She carried a pail of water. Pail. He looked pale after the long run. Steal, steal, steal. It's wrong to steal things from others. Steal. The building is made of steel. Hail, hail, hail. The storm brought strong hail. Hail. He's a hale and healthy man. Blue, blue, blue. The sky is so blue today. Blue. He blew out the candles. Plain, plain, plain. She wore a plain white shirt. Plane. The plane took off on time. Principal, principal, principal. Honesty is an important principle. Principal. The school principal is very kind. Week, week, week. I'm going on vacation next week. Week. I feel weak after being sick. Whole, whole, whole. I ate the whole pizza by myself. Hole. There is a big hole in my sock. Peace, peace, peace. We all want peace in the world. Peace. Can I have a piece of cake? Stare, stare, stare. Don't stare at people. Stare. Be careful on the last stair. Buy, 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 buy. I want to buy a new phone. Buy. This book was written by my favorite author. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Road, road, road. The road is very busy today. Rode. She rode her bike to school.